Fluff, no wasting time. We're gonna test this out for you and see how powerful it really is. Let's do this without getting wet. Well, there you have it. That's the pressure. Pretty impressive, huh? Like we said, no fluff, just action. Plenty of power cord length as well. It drained that tub like there was nothing. Very impressive. So, and how this works is once it, for example, now it's off. When you have it down and this lifts up, then it kicks on automatically. It's pretty cool.